The 1978 Ferrari 308 GTS. The 1978 Ferrari 308 GTS is a timeless classic. This much-loved model has been around since the late 1970s and has become one of the most sought-after Ferraris ever produced. From its impressive design to its signature sounds, this two-seater convertible is something special and guaranteed to capture any car enthusiast's heart. With decades of racing history, even today it continues to be an iconic symbol of luxury and speed. If you're interested in learning more about this amazing automobile, then keep watching. Overview of the Ferrari 308 GTS, its legacy, and its impact on the car market. The Ferrari 308 GTS is a true icon of the automotive world, adored by car enthusiasts everywhere for its sleek design, impressive performance, and undeniable style. First introduced in the late 1970s, this legendary model quickly rose to fame thanks to its starring role on the hit TV show Magnum, P.I. But even beyond Hollywood fame, the 308 GTS left an indelible mark on the car market with its cutting-edge engineering, innovative features, and unparalleled performance. Even today, more than 4 decades after it first hit the scene, the Ferrari 308 GTS continues to inspire and excite drivers around the world, cementing its status as one of the most influential and important cars ever created. Design and performance: a breakdown of the iconic design elements and mechanical specs of the vehicle. When it comes to vehicles, there's no denying that design and performance are two of the most important factors. After all, a car that looks incredible but can't get you where you need to go isn't particularly useful, and a vehicle that performs well but is an eyesore isn't exactly desirable either. That's why understanding the iconic design elements and technical specs of a car is crucial. From the sleek lines of a sports car to the rugged durability of a truck, every vehicle has its unique style and features that make it stand out. And when you delve into the mechanical specs, you can get a better sense of how the car will handle on the road, how powerful it is, and other key details that will help you make an informed decision about your next vehicle. Popularity: how the vehicle has become a cherished and desired classic car. There's no denying the allure of a classic car. The sleek lines, the gleaming paint job, the roar of the engine, it's enough to make any car enthusiast weak in the knees. But there's something especially intriguing about those vehicles that have stood the test of time to become true icons of the road. It's no wonder that the vehicle has become one of the most cherished and desired classic cars of all time. With its unmistakable design, powerful engine, and unrivaled road presence, it's a reminder of a time when cars were more than just means of transportation, but symbols of freedom, mobility, and style. So whether you're a die-hard car collector or just someone who appreciates the beauty of a well-crafted automobile, the vehicle is sure to capture your heart and imagination. Restoration tips for restoring a 1978 Ferrari 308 GTS back to its original glory. Restoring a classic car is a labor of love that requires patience, expertise, and a deep appreciation for the value of craftsmanship. When it comes to a 1978 Ferrari 308 GTS, the stakes are high. This iconic machine is a symbol of Italian design excellence and automotive history, and bringing it back to its original glory is no small feat. But with the right tools, knowledge, and dedication, it's possible to breathe new life into this timeless beauty. From sourcing authentic parts to perfecting the paint job, every step of the restoration process is an opportunity to honor the spirit of the Ferrari and create a finished product that is both stunning and functional. So whether you're a seasoned mechanic or an aspiring enthusiast, these tips for restoring a 1978 Ferrari 308 GTS will help you achieve a masterpiece of automotive excellence. Legendary drivers: famous owners who have driven the Ferrari 308 GTS throughout history. The Ferrari 308 GTS has long been a favorite among car enthusiasts, and it has been driven by some of the most legendary owners in history. From the likes of Tom Selleck's portrayal of Thomas Magnum in the television series Magnum, P.I., to the real-life famous owners like Ralph Lauren and Nick Mason, the Ferrari 308 GTS has experienced its fair share of famous drivers. Its sleek design and unmistakable engine sound have made it a timeless classic, and it continues to hold its place as one of the most iconic sports cars of all time. The list of legendary drivers who have piloted the Ferrari 308 GTS throughout history is a testament to its enduring appeal and unmatched performance. Racing history: how the vehicle has performed in various racing events over time. Racing has been a thrilling pursuit for many generations, as people have tested the limits of their vehicles and themselves. From the early days of cars to the present, history has seen its share of breathtaking races that have captivated audiences across the globe. From the legendary Le Mans 24-hour race to the Indianapolis 500, the vehicle has been the star of the show. The journey has been full of challenges and triumphs, with manufacturers and drivers alike pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Looking back at these races is a testament to the evolution of racing technology and the unwavering spirit of competition. Whether it's the roar of the engines, the thrill of high speeds, or the constant push for perfection, racing has been and will continue to be an unrelenting pursuit of excellence. All in all, the Ferrari 308 GTS has become an icon of automobile history, and for good reason. Its unique design, impressive performance, and racing track record have made it an object of desire throughout its long legacy. Even today, those who are lucky enough to get their hands on a vintage 1978 308 GTS can restore it to its former glory with some know-how and modern updates. As an homage to this beloved vehicle's rich history of powerful actors and racers alike, we take our hats off to the dignified ride that is the Ferrari 308 GTS, a ride of luxury and speed that will never be forgotten. Thank you for joining us on this high-octane journey through the best cars of all time. If you're as passionate about these automotive legends as we are, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay in the driver's seat for our upcoming videos. Until next time, keep your engines revving and stay on the road to automotive greatness.